Okay. All right. I think we're on. I want to go ahead and put my mug up here in the corner again. More math. I notice most of you are trying to remember. I have to the scoring of how we're going to do homework. I found out I was talking in degree mills and things like that, where students were paying a lot of money and getting a useless degree and stuff. And so, I'm not stupid. I'm hoping that people, will see that the course isn't that hard. I know their time management, but anyway, it'll have a drop dead due date, but then you won't be able to access it unless you used to keep. And the reason for that, let me explain. Could just, in fact, I've and to take. Well, the problem is, and I'll just say that makes the university by the Board of Regents or something like it. It's against the law for the self-paced, thing of that, of course, get rid of those happening, with something above board as I can. All right, so that's why we're changing the grading policy. Now, so this assignment has a little bit more math. And let's look at the first slide here. And let me go to the oh, Jesus Christ. Slideshow, sorry, from the current slide. So here we go. We're at the field of vision. All right, now, it used to be, to get a golden glove in baseball, for the most part, the golden glove was based on the amount of times a ball was hit to you and the amount of times you made the play. That's basically what the golden glove was. And catchers had a few other things because they had, their percentage of throwing people out at second, of getting stolen on, what's their percentage of people who tried to steal and got away with it and things like that, how many passed balls, those kinds of things. But for the most part, that was it. Balls hit to you. And so a person, and it was always very hard to get hard numbers like offense in baseball. I can judge that. I can go, okay, he gets hits, now they've had a lot more stats. Does it get hits when it has meaning? So I'm going to bring up one of my more controversial Royals players. All right. He is a fantastic fielder, and he's a good guy. It's Alex Gordon. But I don't think he's near worth $72 million. I just don't, I'm just like, and it's hung us up. Now we've got the salary cap. We've got to deal with all his money that we got to pay him. And he's just one of those, he's just so, Alex Gordon and Alex Smith, they're just so Kansas City. They're just so almost good. I mean, almost superstar. I mean, they're beyond good. Both of them are beyond good. They're both well above mediocre player. And you got to be careful when you're using mediocre when you're talking about major leaguers too. No such thing. I mean, because professional athletes are not like you and me. Even our college athletes are not like you and me. Like the most of us. I've got a few college athletes in this class, and they're different. I mean, people that are competing at every level that you get higher and higher, they're just a different breed of cat, and they see things differently, and they've got a different way of just doing things. But anyway, I'm getting away. But it's always hard to judge how good a fielder was. Like, now they've got statistics for, well, Alex Gordon got to that, he made that play when 99% of the other left fielders in the game could not have made that play. And you'll see an example of how the stat cams, how these statistical cameras are revolutionizing the way we judge fielders. Okay? It used to be, how many times the ball was hit to them, how many times they got the out. And now it's actually taken in a lot. There's a lot more ways to evaluate fielders, evaluate base running, base stealing, all those kinds of things. Okay? So that's it on that. All right, so now go ahead and go enjoy that. I'm going to stop here, and this is the intro part, and enjoy that. I'm sorry, you always hear that click, don't you? Too bad. Enjoy the Alex Gordon video, and then we'll start with the rest of it. We're going to talk about energy now.